Hello everybody, I'm Brian. Customer complained the parking brake malfunctioning light on intermittently. So I checked the code in ABS module. It says right hand park brake actuator motor code 2007. It doesn't have any message right on now. So I follow the 2007 code. I'll check the right hand side parking brake wire and motor. So you can see the three bigger wire. This one is the brake fluid line, and this is the ABS line, and this one is actually parking brake actuator wire. So I take it out and I check the wire and what's going on. Some vehicle is hard to disconnect the connector. Using the sharp air, blow the dust from the connector, and then I disconnect the body side, the bigger one, and then detach the wire from the brake tube, and then disconnect the motor side. It's not very long. It's a short wire. You can buy the whole this short wire, and then also you can fix it. I showed to how to fix it and where it's broken, and then this one bigger connector is connected to body wire, and the small one is connected to the motor. The whole wire connected from the ABS, and then this circle one is usually broken this point because it's bent and it flex and bent and stretched, repeat this here. You guys can first check the continuity and brake module and then motor. Also, you guys check this short wire connector, and then right side rear brake motor to the frame side short connector like this. Wire usually cover to the whole insulator and room and fabric tape and kind of mechanical tape. You carefully cut it off with the razor blade and then fill off the wire room. And then finally you guys can see where is the broken like this. It's a fatigue, flexing area, too much bending up and down, vehicle driving a bumpy area, and the suspension up and down, and usually the broken is here. So you guys can buy the new wire, and also you guys can fix the wire. Today I'm gonna show this short wire how to fix it. When you fix your car wire, first you check the length, so how much exactly your length, and then you mark the retainer clip where are, and then choose the same gauge wire, and then you can fix it. I chose the same thicker and gauge wire, and then around the 30 and 40 centimeter, and then I cut it out, and then now I'm fixing this wire. You avoid the center, it's a bending area, it's a broken wire area, because you're soldering the wire, and then soldering wire point is not much flexing. It's a steep wire, so much steep, so you broken again. So I avoid, I attach the picture, you guys can more understand, and I avoid the flexing area, and then first the broken wire, and then I much longer wire, and then soldering upside and downside. That means upside attach the body side retainer, and then downside retainer clip attach the brake caliper and motor area. So avoid the flexing area, and then much longer, using the longer wire, you guys can fix the wire. Okay, like this. I fixed the wire like this. You guys more understand that if you fix the wire and then twist each wire together and then all cover the wire room, and then one more using the electrical wire or the fabric wire or wire, wrap up the wire. So yeah, it's not very hard, just using the same gauge wire and then just to avoid flexing area, so repeat the failure again. Okay, I fixed wire, and then only things you guys just remember where is the retainer clip. So install the wire and clear the code. That's all. Yeah, this one is the repair wire installed. Thank you for watching.